Coming up, I discover real Spain away from the tourists. From the landscapes to the local recipes, all I can say is forget Malaga and head north to Iznájar. A great little spot to come to if you're in the area is Iznájar Lake. There's a place to come with a sandy beach called Val de Arenas. It's brilliant for adults and kids, and it's got loads of water sports, and it's not busy. It makes a massive change from, you know, the likes of Torremolinos and all of those sorts of places. If you like a bit of peace and tranquility, this is where to come. First up, let's start with food. So we come to a little cafe right by the Iznájar Lake. The food for the kebabs is about 12 to 14 euros, but the portions are massive, like absolutely huge. And I got the calamari, massive portions. They do their loveliest, like garlic yogurt dip. So good. So nice. Jake, how was it?
It was good, but it's really filling. So if you get stuffed easy, do not have it.
So basically, come hungry.
Yeah,
that's what you're
it was
saying.
really good though.
What did you think?
I think it was great, and the meat was nice.
The meat was nice. Did you like yours?
Polished.
It's so hot in August in Spain, but this place is great. There's a breeze, and soon we're going to be in that lake. This lake is a great place for water sports. It's a great place for swimming. You can see the beautiful hilltop town up there of Iznájar. In sync. 2, 1, go. That's it. Left. Right. God, Jake, this is hard. Yeah. Left or bit of left. Left. Right. We're cutting through the water like a dart. Hello, Jessie. So after this kayak, this incredibly energetic kayak ride that I have just embarked on, I am basically going to get out of it, and to bring my heart rate down again, I'm just going to suspend myself in the water. But it's beautiful. It's really picturesque here. There's loads of birds swooping over the water. And I thoroughly recommend it. So where to stay? Well, 40 minutes away I found somewhere with epic views. Details can be found below this video. We have found a very unusual hilltop place to stay. It was built originally to be a church, but it was never actually officialised. Instead, the guy whose plan it was to build a church died, and his family decided to turn it into a house. And it is really rather cool. Check this out. In here we have a little kitchen. And then as we go down here, we've got like dining area, amazing altar. And there's like a sofa area down there. Out here. Look at this. This is morning coffee. I mean, that's not bad, is it? Look at that for a view. That is the morning coffee view. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And the sun sets over here in the evening. It's beautiful. Down there, got a pool, a little pool, and it's got one of those little jet streams here, so you can swim when you put the current on. We have this rather lovely terrace. Can do barbecues here and sit out. You've got a hot tub and a kind of little sort of chill out zone, and of course all around you have the most beautiful views. In the morning there's like a kind of gorgeous pink light, and in the evening it just goes to like orange and red over here. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you like staying somewhere a little bit quirky, a little bit different, this is a really good option. For me, anywhere with a view like this is just worth its weight in gold. Downstairs, here we go. Hey Jakes. So down here, got a centurion. for Centurion. Here we have a bathroom. There. That everything kind of overlooks the view. And then we have a bedroom here. And we have another bedroom here. Hello. Ooh. There, with a telescope. And then in here, there's another bedroom. So it sleeps lots of people. This one has a chill out zone, look. Oh, can't really see that. There we go.
Later that day, after a freshen up, we were treated to a very special Spanish experience. Well, I've had quite the luck. I've had two lovely local ladies come round to the chapel that we're staying in, Maria and her daughter Ima, and they are going to show me how to make a local Spanish sweet treat called Roscos frita. And I said, what is this thing that you're going to make? And they basically said, well, it's like a donut, but so much better. So we have Maria is over here, and she's getting all her ingredients out. This is like amazing.
Harina,
Look at this.
Harina, huevo, limón,
Lemon.
huevo, azúcar,
Yeah.
canela.
Canela. Sugar?
Canela.
Sugar. Is that sugar?
Canela, no.
Is it chocolate? No.
No,
Oh, cinnamon.
canela.
Oh, can I smell it?
Huele.
Oh, it's like cinnamon. I think that's cinnamon. It's, yeah, a sweet spice.
Tres.
3 eggs.
huevos.
Right, I have to
A ver si
remember
cabe.
this recipe now. That's a very small cup there. Are we going to get the tres in?
Lo he hecho tres. Venga, bueno, un poco de
Oh,
improvisación.
you have to.
Ahora vamos a batir.
That's hopeful. That's what I
Ahora-
call hopeful.
El mismo lo echa de harina.
And Maria is your mum, right? Maria is your madre. Yes.
She's my mother. Los
Letter.
roscos
Yeah.
es de my grandmother.
Your the ingredients,
Okay.
the recipe.
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
Venga, un vaso.
Okay. So 3 eggs, a small cup of olive oil.
Exactamente, sí, sí,
Yeah.
sí. Así.
So the skin of the lemon. Wow, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued to see what this is about. Let's see if this Spanish Roscos fritas is as good as an English donut. And it all together.
Una taza.
Taza, that's
Taza.
Spanish for cup.
Exactamente. Una
Okay.
taza, un vasito.
So
Así.
same
Y ahora otro de
amount
azúcar.
of milk.
Lo he
Okay.
hecho, ¿no?
Sí, lo batéis.
And then it's going in.
Y le
Yeah.
echamos el azúcar.
Otro de azúcar.
Venga.
Sugar.
Ajá.
Oh, same taza.
The same.
Oh, easy.
La misma cantidad
easy,
en la
easy,
taza.
easy.
Mhm.
Yeah. La taza. I'm learning some Spanish now. I'd love to speak Spanish.
Para
A
limpiar.
little bit.
Para
Ah, yeah.
limpiar un
Get,
poco el
yeah.
azúcar.
Get all the sugar.
Mhm.
Don't leave any sugar behind.
Vale.
Amazing. Ah. Oh. Wow. That's the
Ahí,
mixture.
perfecto.
Okay.
Ahora introducimos la canela, ¿vale?
Yeah.
¿Cuántas cucharillas, vale?
Echarle
Echamos.
una, dos.
So let's see how much.
Una.
Dos. What's spoon in Spanish?
Esta es cuchara. Y la mezclamos.
Uh-huh.
A
Mix.
la mano.
Yeah.
Bueno, esto eres tú más culto que yo, ¿eh? Tómalo tú.
No, hazlo tú, si tú sabes.
My mother is the teacher. Tómalo tú.
Oh, what's this?
Hemos echado tres-
So what's
tres
this
huevos, ¿no?
then?
Ajá. Esto es como levadura. Levadura para los dulces.
Ah, it's like yeast, I
Claro.
think. Yeast. El
La marca
tigre.
El Tigre.
Okay. And it goes. How many packet? How much?
Sí.
Vamos a echarle aquí.
So
harina.
is this white
Le
flour?
vamos a echar de la harina. Échale
Vale.
esta un puñado
Hay
de-
dos tipos de harina.
Okay.
¿Ok?
Let's see that.
Dos harinas diferentes.
The different.
Ajá.
Con un
Ah.
¿Cuál es la diferencia?
What's the
Que
difference?
una es más fina y otra es
Fine.
Una más fina
Yes.
y
One's
otra más
fine.
sencilla.
Plus,
Okay.
y-
A strong.
Una
Yes.
Yes, like bread
This
flour.
is strong. This is
More.
more
Yeah. Like
fine, no?
finer.
Yes.
So we're putting more and more flour in to make it thicker. And it's literally 50-50 flour. Okay.
Yes.
Podríamos haber hecho tortilla de queso.
Y de verdad, con lo bueno es que...
So sunflower oil going in.
Se pone muy fina, se hace.
De
Una
una
bola,
bola
queda
There you
niño.
go.
De una bola yo hago dos.
Tarifa is very well for the wing.
Y lo pongo encima.
Really?
Y lo hago así.
Nice.
Oh,
There
like
is
double.
very wing.
Look at that.
There is
Woo!
donut
And in it goes.
The-
Oh wow.
Tienes que hacer los roscos.
We are making these faster than normal because it's a demonstration. But if you were making them yourself, you would mix them up and put them here, and you would leave them. I think the official term is to prove, to rise. I think it's to prove for about 3 hours, so longer. And then apparently they will rise even more. More family members have come, and we're now talking about where to go in Spain, where the secret beach holidays are that aren't quite so touristy, and I'm not going to reveal them just yet.
We're not cooking.
No, you're talking about holidays and secret beaches, I hope. Secret beaches in Spain. Can't wait to try these. They're rising up and up and up. We've just turned the temperature up a little bit. They're saying they're not used to this hob, so they're trying to get the temperature right.
The name of the
And Maria is just moving it to keep the oil going over the top the whole time.
sugar.
Sugar going in. Sugar. Is it sugar?
Azúcar.
Azúcar. Azúcar.
Azúcar. ¿Vale? Aquí así. Espérate que yo sé hablar en inglés.
Ah. So the sugar is going on, and we're covering them, which looks
No comer, solo beber.
It's taste time. Moment of truth. Are the Spanish Roscos fritos
De María.
better than the English ones? Than the doughnuts? Right, moment of truth.
Vamos a probar. Oye, están crujenticos. Para ti.
Wow,
Súper bien inglés.
that is seriously
Yes,
good.
it's better the donut.
It is better. It's just got more flavour.
Vamos, ¿dónde va a parar?
The cinnamon and the limon.
Limón, canela.
Canela. Oh, the cinnamon
Sugar.
and the sugar.
Tan bueno.
It's really good. Yeah,
¿Tan bueno?
it's really tan bueno. Tan bueno. Oh, it tastes more sophisticated than donuts. It's more sophisticated. Yeah. It's really good. I love the little lemon hint, the limon.
Sí, el limón se siente un montón.
I like that. That's clever. Ah.
It's a cross between a
¿Quieres
donut.
ponerle luego, José?
Ahora,
It is. You're right.
Isn't it?
You're right.
better donut.
You're right.
In Spain,
Yeah.
there is a week party. The name is Semana Santa.
Semana Santa.
Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is a major festival in Spain that takes place in the week leading up to Easter.
La rosca de la tita Mari.
Exacto.
No, a él le gusta más. Cuanto más tiempo pasa, más.
Oh, that was absolutely amazing. And what a treat that these guys have come here to where we're staying to show us how to make it. Absolutely amazing.
We spent the rest of the evening eating, chatting, and attempting to get a thumbnail photo for my video. I hope you enjoyed it.